the International Museum Expo 2024, where art, science and technology converge to create an unforgettable experience.
The grand inauguration set the stage with esteemed guests and vibrant celebrations marking the beginning of this remarkable event.
Dr. Sarah Kinderdine's keynote address transported us to the frontier of big data and AI, redefining modern museology. Our exhibitions showcased the innovative spirit and historical depth of our themes, drawing visitors into a world of discovery.
Oppenheimer's peaceful explosion took us on a solemn journey through the atomic age, urging a message of peace and reflection. The amalgamation of huge original illustrations, a new sustainable medium like honeycomb boards, UV printing, and oft-used AI-enhanced compositions made this exhibition one of its kind.
Brilliance Beyond Borders celebrated the triumphs and trials of scientists, some of whom are Nobel laureates, some nominated but not awarded, and yet some others whom we would have liked to see as awarded the Nobel.
In IME 2024, you could experience the timeless spirit of Indian art like never before. This canvas cyclorama immersed viewers in the rich heritage and vibrant colors of Indian paintings.
The exhibition, Innovative Edifices, showcased unique architectures of NCSM science centers and the innovative designs of mobile science exhibition buses.
On the other hand, the exhibition Narratives Reimagined demonstrated an array of indigenous technologies that bring museum storytelling to life in extraordinary ways. Our own full-dome projection system developed by Science City Kolkata made its debut at IME 2024. Engaging panels delved into essential topics like heritage preservation, immersive experiences, and the integration of art, science, and technology. Hands-on workshops and live demonstrations bridged theory and practice, captivating minds young and old.
Masterclasses covered diverse topics, from astrophotography to disaster resilience, offering deep dives into specialized fields.
Competitions and interactive zones fostered creativity and innovation, engaging participants in various activities.
The theatre production, The Square Root of a Sonnet, brought the science of black holes to life, blending drama and discovery.
The bustling marketplace connected agencies and entrepreneurs, showcasing the latest in museum services and technologies. The cultural program led by Miss Dona Gangu enthralled us with the rich tapestry of Bengali culture through very well-curated songs and elegant dance forms.
Our journey culminated with the musical roots of Bengal, a soulful performance by the Dohar group, who composed a musical tapestry of rural Bengal, presenting 100 original folk singers and dancers on stage.
No event of this magnitude can happen without a large, dedicated team. We pay tribute to the team IME 2024, whose hard work and dedication made this event possible. They will always be ready to be called for service again.
As we conclude this remarkable expo, we cherish the memories created and look forward to the future. Until we meet again at IME 2025, let us carry forward the spirit of innovation and collaboration.